Introduce features interest for land pressure washer, max 3000 PSI electric power washer, professional washer cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 to 3000 psi for maximum cleaning power and water inlet temperature, maximum, is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Solve various cleaning tasks. Houses, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, terraces, lawn equipment and more. 0, 15, 25, 40 degrees, Lotus/Turbo and black soap nozzles, for low pressure. The built-in device on the spray gun stores the nozzles, so you can choose the most suitable one according to your needs. Lotus nozzles are independent and can hit the spiral pressure in different cleaning jobs, more effective in removing stubborn stains. High pressure washer have stronger wheels and can be moved anywhere. 2 storage devices for easy storage of power cord, gun, and most accessories. The use of thickened PP material, product ductility is better, convenient storage. 26 feet high pressure hose for greater cleaning range. Built-in detergent tank with large opening saves the time of pouring detergent. The connection of spray gun adopts cross buckle, safe and firm. Brass connection adapters with built-in rubber gaskets, so you can say goodbye to leaking mess. Power pressure washer features safety automatic total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.